Hey, what is up guys? John here at TechMoGo. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the SOUNDPEATS Air 4 True Wireless Earbuds. So in this video, we're going to unbox these. We're going to check out the features and specs. We're going to check out the build quality. And more importantly, we're going to see how they fit and sound. And I'll let you know what I think of them. So before we get started, just wanted to give you guys a heads up that SOUNDPEATS did send these out to me to test out. So big shout out to them for doing that. It's very, very much appreciated. But as always, this is an independent review. They had no part in the making of this video. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and unbox the earbuds. First thing, we always got to check out the box real quick. So here they are. They come in this white box, SOUNDPEATS logo up top, and the earbuds front and center. We've got Air 4 at the bottom right. Hear Your Imagination, SOUNDPEATS up on the side there. And then we've got some specs here. We've got 13mm dynamic drivers on these ones. We've got 26 hours of playtime, and we've got hybrid active noise cancellation. And on the back here, there is more specs. If you guys want to pause the video and check that out, you can do so right now. All right, so let's get into the box. SOUNDPEATS always have their earbuds in a nice solid package. All right, got the earbuds right there, the case with the earbuds inside right there front and center. But before we look at that, let's take a look at some of the other things in the package. We've got some documentation here. And your user manual. And let's see what else is in the box. So on this side, you got your charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. So you get documentation, you get the earbuds, and you get a charging cable. And here are the earbuds, guys. They are a matte black finish, hard plastic, feels really solid. On the bottom here, you got your USB-C port. It's nice that it's in copper. Looks real cool. And on the back side, we got a copper hinge with some SOUNDPEATS branding. Overall, the case feels solid. So we got a button here, probably used to connect to your device, or you use it to switch between devices. You can connect to multiple devices. So let's open this up and see what we get inside. And there is the earbuds. It's a nice solid click to it when you close. Here we go. Very nice. One more time, that's satisfying. Very solid. I like that. I like that a lot. Light that pops up, green. And while we have them out like this, let's give it a shake test, see how well the case holds the earbuds in place. I would say that passes. Nice and secure in case. Very nice. Let's try these out. So these are like a tipless design. They don't have the rubber ear tips, so it's more like your AirPods, your original AirPods and the Gen 3s, Gen 2s, Gen 3s. They do not have the ear tip. There you go. Speaker. I like the copper hits. Very nice. You've got charging pins right there. Got your little R for your right branding, and your SOUNDPEATS logo out on the side here. Very nice. Yeah, that looks classy. That looks sick. Same thing on this side. Yeah, dudes, that looks sick. So yeah, let's try these on and see if they fit. Hopefully they fit me, because again, on these styles, you kind of got to get lucky. Oh snap, It just said ANC on. Wow. Yo, that knocked out a lot of the background noise. Like my fan here, I can barely hear it. That's how they look in ear. These actually fit me pretty well, I think. So far, they feel comfortable. No hot spots anywhere. They just feel good. While we got the case out here, here is the Gen 3 AirPods. And the case is similar in size. So you shouldn't have any problems keeping these in your pocket. Rocking some slims or skinny jeans. Let's connect this to the phone. Make sure you got Bluetooth on your phone. There it goes, it pops up. SOUNDPEATS AIR 4. Hit connect, and you are paired, and it has a nice notification that says you're connected. All right. So let's see how these bad boys sound. Ooh. Right out the gate, these hit. They've got a nice bass, nice clarity. Normally this style lacks bass because the fitment isn't as sealed as the ones with the rubber ear tips. But this one sounds good, man. It's got a lot of bass. I mean, not super overwhelming, but just enough. It hits. And the mids and highs seem super clear. Let's see. Let's find something with some vocals. Yeah. I like these. Very nice. Yo, I like these. These sound very clear. Bass is just right. These are nice. I like these. And they get super loud and it's still nice and clear. All right, guys. So yeah, these sound very, very nice. Again, it's got plenty of bass and the vocals are nice and clear. All right, so let's go over some of the features and specs real quick. So we've got Bluetooth 5.3. We've got a maximum distance of 10 meters. So again, about 30 feet. And playtime, we've got 6.5 hours of playtime and up to 26 hours of playtime when using the case to charge. Battery capacity, 35 milliamps for the earbuds and 330 milliamps for the charging case. Again, these have 13mm drivers, so a lot of bass. And then these have active noise cancellation. These also have a low latency game mode, so that's cool. And multi-point connection, you can connect to multiple devices. And it looks like you have an app that you can connect these to make adjustments on the EQ. So that's always a good thing. I'll have to check that out. So it's got noise reduction also when making calls. It's got 6 total mics. So yeah, I once I have these for a little longer, I will put out a more detailed review on the features. But so far, just listening to it for that short amount of time, I like them. They sound really good and they're lightweight. Again, because they're not ear tip design, kind of got to get lucky if with fitment. But for me, they fit all right. They fit good. Unfortunately, guys, I do not have the price on these yet because they have not yet released. But by the time this video is out, these should be out there for purchase. You should be able to pick these up on SOUNDPEATS websites or on Amazon. So I think that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you guys are still around, thank you so much for watching. I will have links in the description if you guys want to check this out. And yeah, if you found this video helpful and you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at TechMoGo. I'll see you in the next one.